More than 26,000 people attended the Royal Welsh Winter Fair in Llanelwedd this year. The event was once again kicked off by the Hybu Cig Cymru breakfast at Hybu Cig Cymru, where Rural Affairs Minister Elin Jones urged farmers to make use of support and expand their businesses.
And now is the time, of course, to look to invest in your industry and in your businesses, and I hope that you will consider to do that. Use the role of Farming Connect in Wales to support that development, and also look to the banks to provide the level of support that they have done in the past, and hopefully will continue to do so into the future.
HCC Chairman Rees Roberts also spoke at the breakfast about the procurement of Welsh red meat by local authorities in Wales.
The public sector will find its budget squeezed in the years to come, as we all know, and we don't need to mention some of the bad publicity that some of those authorities had in their investment programmes, but it will have a kickback in their budgets in the future, forcing local authorities to make tough choices about the level of services to the public. I appeal to them. But one area where they don't reduce costs is in the purchase of food for our children, elderly and sick. It's important that the young and most vulnerable in our society continue to be offered the very best meat that is available on the Tuesday onwards, and to my mind that meat is Welsh, of course. I know that public procurement of our produce is a subject close to your hearts today, and that is why HCC will continue to work closely in partnership with the public sector to encourage them to purchase these products.
This year, HCC had a new look stand in the Glamorgan Hall. Over the 2 days, HCC held cooking demonstrations with future chef winner Luke Thomas, MasterChef the professional semi-finalist Ludovic Demagard, and the face of Welsh lamb Mervyn Davies. HCC also ran a carcass selection competition, asking people to grade 2 beef carcasses, and were encouraging people to sign up for a new e-newsletter and be in with the chance of winning a Christmas hamper. HCC is now planning for next year's show calendar, which will see them travel around the world to places including Dubai, Spain and Singapore, as well as returning to Llanelwedd for the Royal Welsh Show and the Winter Fair.